Hi, my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. Please don't make it your last. Do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can get notified immediately I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, you know the drill. It's all love from me to you. In today's video, I decided to show you how I work on a sensitive acne prone skin. So my gorgeous client came in and she had a lot of acne on her face, and her skin is quite sensitive, so it is complicated than the regular makeup look or than the regular clients who have like a clear or a spotless skin. So I had to take a lot of things into consideration. So in this situation, your skin prep is very important, from cleansing the face to moisturizing and to mild priming of the face. In my opinion, I would say you should use your hand, but ensure your hands are very clean and you go in very gentle. Don't use brushes that the bristles are so harsh. If you're using brushes, make sure that the bristles are quite soft. So I cleaned the face. Clean your face. It is very important. So for the fact that she even have a sensitive skin, I had to go into deeper cleansing. So I used my cleansing foam first of all before I went into my normal micellar cleansing water to double cleanse her face, just so whatever dirt has clogged on the pimples, the pores that are opened, whatever it is, I can properly clean them out. Then I went right into my skin preparations, that's moisturizing. I first of all went in with a face serum, and make sure the products you are using are good skincare product, like their product that has skincare components in them that can actually treat the acne on your customer's face, not product that will end up to further damage your customer's skin. So I went in with my Dr. Rashid serum to first of all hydrate the face. Then I further went in with my Embryolisse moisturizer to further hydrate her skin. If you notice, I am so gentle. Now another thing is, if you're not careful while working on an acne, like a skin that is sensitive and has acne, you would tend to irritate the acne on her face. You would cause more harm than good. So be gentle. Then I went into my primer from Omari Code. I just wanted a bit of priming, nothing too harsh, nothing too serious, and I did not prime the regions that had the acne. You can decide to prime it, but I did not do that because I knew I was going to use a very strong final seal spray, and other things could help those areas of my makeup last longer. Then I went into spots coverage and the pimples coverage. I just used my concealer to cover up the pigmentations that she had. She had some reddish pigmentations on her face, she had some black pigmentations on her face, the spots and all. I was just using the concealer to gently blend them in for the first coverage. So I did that on both sides, and I went into my foundation. Even for your foundation, please, you mustn't use a very thick foundation or a very full coverage foundation. Just use a foundation that is pigmented. It will cover up all that needs to be covered up. Okay, and blend mildly and gently. My video, the speed, I increased the speed so this video is not so long. That's why you see my movement looking like I was pounding. I wasn't pounding on her skin. I was as soft and gentle as possible, so you don't get to overly disturb the pimples or acne on her face. Yeah guys, so I would allow you to enjoy the rest of the video and I will see you at the end. Okay, bye.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Hi my loves, if you're still watching, I would like to say thank you for coming this far in this video, and stay tuned, stay glued to this channel, because I'll be doing a giveaway online class at a very cheap rate. So if you want to up your personal makeup game, you want to upgrade your skills, just stay glued to this channel for more updates. Bye, and see you in my next video. Stay tuned to see the finished look. I love you. Bye.
My heart rages around like an ocean